By the end of this video, you'll be able to use PowerPoint and Excel on the EdApp platform to be able to create new lessons and quizzes for students to use in their learning. A lot of instructors already have their content laid out in presentations, such as PowerPoint, and with EdApp, we now have the ability to upload these presentations to create courses for our students within the platform so that we're not having to recreate the wheel. Now, to do so, you're going to come to your EdApp and log in, and you're going to come up to the top where it says Convert PPT. We want to be able to edit the content ourselves. And now we're going to choose a file to upload, find that presentation and open, and submit. Now here in step 1 we have the ability to convert our slides. We will do the actual editing in just a moment, so we're able to see how each slide was converted into the platform as in this new course. Alright. Then we're going to come up to the top right to step 2, edit contents. This is where we can fix any grammatical errors or typos that we may have. So now on this screen you have the student view on the left. You can see how it's going to be according to the media that they're using. So you can have a smartphone or desktop. Your editing ability is right here in the middle. And then each slide over on the right hand side where you can click through and then be able to edit each one. So let's go ahead and adjust this title right here. Okay. And just the next one. Looks good. Got picture and caption. Picture and caption. We even have the ability to add audio to the slide if you wish. We're not going to do that today. Picture and caption. I'm liking it. And then the last slide would be that's it. And then once you are satisfied with how each slide has turned out for your lesson, you come to the top right and select Save. Next, we're going to discuss a way that you can use Excel and EdApp to create quizzes so that you can check for understanding with your students. Once you're logged into EdApp and you are on your dashboard, you're going to select Rapid Refresh Quizzes, come to the top right, Create Quiz, and download the template. Open that template up. And then here you see the basic empty template where you can have your questions, a minimum of 2 answers for that question. You'll be able to input the correct answer and then text to reinforce that answer. So let's take a look at that one that I have already created based on T. So we have our question to the left. We have a minimum of 2 questions here in the middle. So I have 1 true or false question, so that's where that minimum of 2 could play in. And then I even have one where there were multiple answers, so they had to check all that applied. And then on the far right, so you can see right here at the top where I have the text to reinforce that answer. So you're going to come to your EdApp platform once you have your template downloaded and then all filled out and saved on your computer, and you're going to choose your file. And upload it. And then continue. Next, you're able to see the student view of that quiz from that Excel sheet, and then also a quiz summary. So you have how many questions there are, you have where the start date is and the end date because you can schedule this, and then also you have leaderboard information. So you can allow leaderboards, or you can also even allow learners to retry incorrect answers. So they're able to, and then you can play around and see exactly how it would look for the students. Alright, I got that one correct. And then continue, so we have that text reinforcement right here at the bottom so that they're able to learn more about that answer. So if we select a false answer, yeah. Once you are satisfied with your quiz, you can come up to Schedule Quiz, and then you can select the date range for your quiz. And next. And then Schedule Quiz to confirm that. And then you will see that. Once you're finished, it will show up on your dashboard.